Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to do a surprise fold. The surprise fold is going to be simple, easy for beginners. Hopefully I'm going to walk you through it. It's going to be an Among Us crewmate. It's going to be an imposter, you know. And so we're going to fold it up and we'll kind of do that. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here and fold a piece of paper in half. Alright. And I'm going to do it again. Well, kind of again. I'm going to fold it back. See, after I fold it in half, I'm going to fold it back right here in half. This half right here. And so this is what we're going to use to draw on. Alright. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe and click the bell notification if you haven't done that already. I'm going to be posting a lot. I'm going to post a lot of surprise folds for a little bit. So, well, for a lot, hopefully. So let's get started, okay? Alright, here we're going to have the crewmate right in the center. And what I'm going to do here for the top is I'm going to curve over here for the front. It's going to be the front of that visor. Pulling back here. Making the visor a little bit longer than normal. Curve here. And I'm going to go underneath. Pull it around there. Go over here to the top. We're going to go over here to the front of his forehead. Right here. On the forehead. I'm going to pull back over here. Down. Back of his head. So let's kind of continue this downward here. So I'm going to start from top of that. And I'm going to kind of roll over that part of the paper. Pulling down into these teddy bear feet. Curve underneath. Up. Go over here. Going to keep pulling downward there. Curve underneath. Up. And right here, drawing the lower waist. Right there. This connecting part right here, you have to be aware of that. And then let's go over here, top of the backpack. The top of the backpack is usually halfway between this point and this point on the visor. And then over here, it's usually around the bottom of the waist here, on the bottom end. Gonna go over here, same thing, go over that line. Curve back. Right there. So now you got that crewmate, right? You got a pretty, stout crewmate. Now we're gonna open it up and do the stuff on the inside, which is, fun part. All right. I mean, it's fun anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna connect this line right here for the back. Pull it down. Connect it as much as I can there. Gonna go over here and extend his backpack all the way down as well. Might look a little odd, but you'll get it. Alrighty, gonna curve in here. Curve in here. I'm gonna extend the top lip down, and then I'm gonna open up the mouth here. I'm gonna pull this up from the front of the lip here. And I'm going to pull this up here in. Alright. I'm going to draw the teeth first. More or less just kind of normal triangles. Over here. There. Then we draw the tongue. The tongue's normally like this stick sticking out of his mouth. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna go up at an angle. Don't go past this point though, because that's the fold, right? Go up here, down here. That's gonna be that tongue that sticks out and boom, shoots him like a dagger. Right. All right, let's look at what we got so far. Right here. So this is the crewmate. Boom, surprise, imposter. Woo! All right, and that's it. I'm gonna go over color. Watch me color into it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm sorry, also hit the share if you want to. Let's jump into color. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website, but go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's gonna give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.